how to add a contact us page to Wix. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Wix, and then you're gonna have to simply click on page at the top, and then you're gonna have to click on manage pages. Now what you're gonna have to do next, go to site menu and then click on add page, and then here as you can see you're gonna have this contact template. So if you want you can use these templates, and I suggest you to use them because they are amazing. So simply choose any of these and then click on add page, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course you're gonna have to wait. So as you can see, contact us, so here you can rename it, then click on done, and now you can simply edit here the settings, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.